World's most powerful 1-inch cordless impact wrench with best-in-class power-to-weight ratio. 3,000 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque, 2,200 feet-pounds of tightening torque. $250 volts per charge, tackle a full day's worth of work. Reduce setup time of jobs up to 15% compared to air tools. No waiting on air for roadside applications. This powerful cordless impact wrench combines the power of air with the freedom of cordless mobility. Give yourself the ability to move about freely around any job site where space and maneuverability are at a premium. S-Long cordless ratchet wrench equipped with a 12-volt high-spec motor. It can deliver a max torque at 400 RPM and has a variable speed trigger for excellent control. S-Long electric wrench has a built-in LED working light and can clearly illuminate the dim working environment. The power indicator could tell you exactly the remaining battery power. Wrench comes with 2 rechargeable 2000 mAh batteries which can be fully charged in just 1 hour. You can finish your work more effectively. Stand up to big jobs with the only worm drive walk-behind concrete saw. Cutting long control joints is simple with the new integrated handle that adjusts to your height and folds easily for transport and storage. Used wet or dry, the integrated dust management system controls dust for cleaner cuts. A 2-finger trigger reduces user fatigue and improves control. The all-metal components, featuring rust-resistant brackets and fasteners, protect from corrosion for longer life. This ergonomic finger ratchet wrench is comfortable to hold even for the long-time use. The direction selection switch can ensure smooth ratcheting in both directions and precise adjustment. You can simply twist the black button on the top to convert the left and right rotation of the screwdriver to quickly switch from tightening to releasing screws.
Excel Blades Metal Miter Box Set. Set includes heavy-duty K5 hobby knife handle with a 5-inch steel pull saw blade with 46 teeth per inch. The 6-inch hand-powered miter box is of professional quality and ideal for hobbyists and woodworkers. This indispensable tool is engineered using high-quality aluminum and steel for strength and durability. Features slots for 2 cutting angles, 4 to 5 degree and 9 degree / ideal for miniature work. This premium miniature miter box accepts wood, plastic, and metals.
Rivet Nut Drill Adapter Kit. Easily convert your cordless, pneumatic or corded drills into a power rivet nut setter. Haichika Jigsaw has a 6.0 ampere powerful copper motor with a 6-speed controller, which can adjust the speed from 800 to 3000 RPM. Contains 6 saw blades, 2 for metal and aluminum, 4 for wood and plastic. You can choose the right saw blade according to the material. Different cutting angles can be set. The maximum adjustable cutting angle is -45 degrees to 45 degrees. The maximum cutting depth is 110 mm for wood and 10 mm for metal. The cutting stroke is 20 mm. Lamello's plate joiner can cut grooves for 12 different biscuits without changing the cutting tool. The new style swiveling fence has a beveled edge for easy side of measuring and angle scales, also has positive stops at the most common cutting angles. The new style multifunction stop square is always parallel to front plate due to precision dovetail design. It is flush to the sides of the base for easy reference against work surfaces and allows for 135-degree angle setting to reference outside surfaces of 45-degree miter joints. It also slides and locks onto the bottom of the slide chute to make vertical use of the tool quick and safe. Central locking system, for quick removal of the cassette base with thumbscrew to maintain and access cutter. From cutting to sanding, scraping to chipping, this oscillating tool can do it all. The Skil PWR Core 20 multi-tool is built for power and performance, and runs on the innovation of Skil PWR Core 20 lithium battery technology for longer battery life. This oscillating tool features the innovative vibration reduction system, which isolates the motor from the body of the tool to reduce vibration transfer and increase comfort, so you can power through hard cuts with ease. Kingpin Press. pins can now be removed in minutes with relative ease and efficiency. Generates 46,000 pounds of force yet weighs only 30 pounds. Anti-torque arms prevent twisting of the main body while under extreme force. Engineered for use with up to a 1-inch impact wrench.